So, have you ever run into this problem? You upload a ton of data into your business system, like, sales figures, inventory, anything really.
Mm-hmm.
And then, bam, you realize a super important field is messed up.
Oh, yeah.
Across like hundreds of entries. So today we're going to be focusing on the experience of Swetha, a senior functional consultant at Tiana Solutions.
Okay.
And Swetha's got like 15 years in the ERP world implementing and supporting all kinds of systems.
Wow, 15 years.
She's got like a deep understanding of reports, generic inquiries, business events, security import-export scenarios, Power BI, you name it.
Across all editions of Acumatica.
Yeah. And she had this one situation with a client that really highlights this. The posting period was wrong on every single one.
Oh, no.
And it would totally mess up their financial reports.
Right.
But Swetha and the team at Tiana Solutions, they figured out a much simpler way.
Really?
So Swetha explained that there's this mass field update feature in Acumatica.
I haven't heard of that.
You just enable an option in the generic inquiry setup called Mass Record Update.
Okay.
Then you go to the bills and adjustment screen, where you see all your bills. Yeah. And there's this update all function, and you just click a window pops up, and you can specify the correct value for the field you want to change.
That's it?
Yeah. So in this case, they were able to change all 600 bills from the incorrect posting period of 01/2024 to 02/2024.
Wow. Oh, wow. So it's not limited to just the posting period.
Nope. It's super versatile.
That's really cool.
And this is just one example of the kind of creative solutions that Tiana Solutions comes up with. And they have a huge team of consultants who are experts at helping businesses get the most out of Acumatica. You can call them at 678-910-2774 to book an appointment and chat about your business needs. And maybe exploring solutions like this mass field update could free up your team to focus on bigger, more important things.
I think that's a great takeaway for our listeners today.